Okay, so I've just gotten down off the Zermatt station. Right there is the train track, and if I am exiting the station, on the right side I can see the entire town, and you have the taxi stand right here. You can ask them where to go and how much it will cost. Not really sure. For Joy Matterhorn Airbnb particularly, you will take the left, the very first left, and then you will see, if I zoom in, you're able to see a particular red board with dinner on it. So that's your first destination from where you will take a right. So I'll keep walking right now. Okay, here we are at the dinner supermarket. It's not supermarket, it's just a market, small one. You can get bread, jam, butter, basic amenities. And then you need to take the right. You'll have to walk up to the river. Just keep going straight. It's a nice view, to be honest. Nice mountains and all. For now, we keep going straight. You will come across this beautiful restaurant, Mira Bui, but you keep walking straight. You'll then come across this sign, Dolomit, which is nice, but you still keep going straight until you get to the river. Okay, so you'll come across this shop called Matterhorn Sports, and keep going straight. It's a beautiful view, to be honest. Here's your river, and then you take the street Vispastrasse. Maybe I'm pronouncing it wrong, but yeah. So you take that left, and then you keep going straight for now. Okay, so now we've covered almost the entire street, but then you will come across two to three rights, but I'll tell you from exactly where you need to take the right. You will come across this particular building where you can only see a few letters, AILES. I don't know what it means, but yes, you can see a gentleman turning to the right, and this is where we go. Easiest way to recognize would be the sign Mirador, and then again you keep going straight. Okay, so there is a bit of a slant, and you keep going straight. You will come across this building called Prima Vista. So you're going on the right track. Please keep going straight, and then you need to take the left. Again, the gentleman is taking the left. He's a good navigator for us. Okay, so we take the left, and then there are approximately 14 stairs that you would need to climb to reach your expected destination. And that's it. This is your door. Apartment number 8 is Joy Matterhorn. Bye bye.